Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, so y'all was asking me for an apartment tour. Now my apartment is not furnished, I just moved in not too long ago. So y'all just gonna see what it looks like right now compared to when it's fully furnished. I'm gonna do a whole, y'all know I'm gonna put on a whole show for y'all. So this is just the initial tour. So come follow me and let me show y'all what it's giving. So right here I'm gonna have a little shoe rack because y'all not gonna wear no shoes in my crib. What Roddy Rich said?
Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house.
Yeah, shoe rack. Over here is the laundry room. The door is malfunctioning, very ghetto, but this is the laundry room. You get a washer and dryer, etc., whatever, little space for like storage. Not much, but it's definitely something. Okay, so before we even go in the living room, because I know y'all see the light and y'all about to be feeding, I'm gonna show y'all the beauty room first, and then we're gonna make our way out. So this is the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom, I guess you could say. So if somebody wanna come over use the bathroom, they don't gotta go in my room. So it's a nice little tub with the shower. The shower is really good. The tub, of course, I didn't get to use any of the tubs, especially not this one. So yeah, that pretty much just sits how it is. Toilet, whatever. Me and Edge was just getting ready, so there's stuff all over the place in this room and in the room. It's not messy, but we was getting ready. So this is another guest bathroom, beauty bathroom, whatever. You can use this for storage. So I'll probably put a few makeup things in here. I put actually tissue in there. Some hair developer. This is pretty much what that's giving, because me and I don't have a guest room. It kind of don't make no sense for me to like do the whole guest thing. This is the beauty room. If you need to pee, you're coming in here. You're not gonna come my room. So this is my beauty room. This is the temporary setup. Once again, very messy, but y'all get the vibes in here, whatever the case may be. So I have my backdrop right there. I just built this shelf. I have a vlog of me building this shelf, but my storage is acting up. So when y'all see it, y'all gonna see everything, but I don't know which one y'all gonna see first, to be honest. But yeah, I got this from IKEA, I think for like $150 or something like that, and I just built it up. Whatever the case may be, it's literally outlets all over this room, which is amazing because I need all the outlets I can get, especially when I'm recording videos. It just be a lot going on, you know? So right here is the closet in my beauty room, the walk-in closet. It has like a few shelves and everything. Once again, like I told you, everything is unorganized. It's literally still kind of how I left it. I just have like a bag of all my makeup stuff, a bag of all my hair stuff, and then a bag with just wigs and hair and all that extra stuff. My mannequin has more shelves, more storage. I'm gonna probably, I don't think I'm gonna do this up because this is a closet, it's not that serious, but yeah. So I got a lot of space and storage for all my beauty stuff, which is a necessity because I got a lot of shit. So alright, so this is the living room. I have a corny unit, so it's real popping over here. Right here, I just have boxes of stuff, clothes that I had shipped from my house in New York. I didn't fully unpack because I gotta get it dressed and stuff. Plus, I didn't do my whole closet yet. Y'all gonna see that in a second. Over here is the TV section. All I got is my TV for right now, and I'm gonna have like a whole little entertainment system. But the gag is, I have a Bluetooth speaker already, and then the TV is loud when we play music too. But then it has Bluetooth speakers like built in the center right there, which is so loud. Me and Neji was bumping for days. Like it was so popping. Right there, and right there. And then the lighting, these things light up, of course they lights, but these works, these got the spotlights, which is a good touch. Over here, I don't think we got everywhere. Oh wait, and before I even take y'all over there, the place that we started walking, there's two ways to walk in. So you can walk in straight into the living room, or you can walk straight to the beauty room. So that's a plus. So over here we got the kitchen. Me and Reggie was speakers last night, so it's a little messy or whatever, but we ate good last night.
Very good.
I got my dishes over here. Behind here, they have a wine cooler, which is cool. I still got the same bottle of wine I bought on the first day because I don't be drinking it like that. That's what that is, you know, stainless steel appliances, everything is cute. I have a whole lot of cabinets, whole lot of storage. Yeah, we got snacks in there, but yeah. I looked at it, I said, wait.
Bro.
Girl, what you got in there?
Word.
That pays you. Anyway, so if you come over here, I'm gonna try to stand in that perspective. It's so big in here. Like,
very spacious.
Mad spacious, mad big. I don't know if y'all can hear the echo, but I love that. That's one of the best parts about it. And then you get a great view, which y'all not gonna see because y'all not gonna try to come find me. But yeah. So then, this is my bedroom. This is my bed. I still do have to get a TV. I didn't get a TV in my room yet, but my laptop be coming in clutch. So we just be watching stuff on the laptop. Yeah, just a bed I got from one of the furniture stores out here. Speaking of already standing over here, let me call the Uber real quick just now. The bed, the mattress super soft. Bounce resistant. Nah, it's a little bouncy. But yeah, so this is my bedroom. This is the master bathroom. Once again, it's not completely organized, but we got a few of our stuff. Let me hurry and chew this, because I hate when you be chewing this, because that shit. So, got a few things around or whatever the case may be, but this is pretty much what the lighting and everything looks like. Is the light still good on the camera?
I fixed it.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, we got the double vanity kind of situation or whatever. We got the double vanity over here. I'm not really a fan of the yellow lights.
Yeah.
But white lights will really wash me out, so
yeah.
I don't know.
It tones it out though.
A little bit, right?
Like it tones like the bathroom up a little bit.
I don't want to look too yellow,
yeah.
too white. It's not, you know. Then we got a bathtub. I have yet to use the bathtub. I have to wash it out and stuff. I haven't touched it since I moved in, so that's what that looks like. Then you have the shower that's attached to the tub, which is a vibe, period. So if you have somebody here and you just want to get a vibe, they're gonna take a shower, you have to do that, whatever. And then the toilet, of course. Now, for the last part, this is my master bedroom walk-in closet. Once again, I barely put anything anywhere. I just put my shoes up. We got some bags, a throwover blanket, some jackets, towels, mad sets of hangers. As y'all can see, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. I just put my shoes on the rack. I still got my suitcases, but still got stuff in it. Like, I haven't really had the time to get settled because I keep, like, I'm working. I don't really have too much downtime. But yeah, I have that. I got the Wi-Fi and all that stuff. But y'all, this closet,
it's everything.
Cute, right?
It fits you perfectly.
And on top of that, you could close the closet just like this.
Very
if you don't want everybody looking in your room, whatever case may be. I like the fact that it slides, so that's really cute actually. So you have that, and this does the same thing. Let's walk out. This does the same thing with the bathroom. So if you want to close the bathroom door and the closet door, you could just come, close this, boom, and then you can come out. Boom. Whole room to yourself. And even if you want to take a private shower, if you don't want like the whole room scene, you could just close the door and everything will be normal like that. So with that being said, y'all, this is my quick unfurnished, unfinished apartment tour. I'm gonna do another apartment tour, of course, when I get everything is set up and I got my furniture and do my decor and all that cute stuff. But for right now, this is just what it's given. So other than that, let me know if y'all gonna be ready for that furnished apartment tour, because yeah, the apartment is, I don't even know what to say. I love my apartment. I love everything about it. Other than that, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video, and stay tuned for my furnished apartment tour. Bye, loves.
Got a switch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.